This 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan Passenger is brought to you by Lehman Automotive, your neighborhood trusted dealership. This Dodge is powered by V6 engine, automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and has 87,115 miles. Discover spacious comfort and family-friendly features in this 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan, ready for adventure. Here are some of the features. Visit us today to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Don't forget to follow us to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.